Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert an Outlook email to a Word document. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails so you can access everything in your inbox. This shouldn't take long, but make sure all your messages have fully appeared before moving forward. Now that your emails are loaded, take a look at your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, find and select the specific email message you want to convert into a Word document. Once you've found it, double-click on that email to open it in a new window. Opening it this way makes it much easier to work with the content and ensures you can see everything clearly before copying it over. With the email now open in front of you, you'll need to select all of its content. To do this quickly, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut will highlight everything in the email, including the text, images, and any formatting that's been applied. You'll see all the content become highlighted, which means it's ready to be copied. Now, it's important to note here that Outlook and Word don't have a built-in feature that directly converts emails into Word documents. However, there's a simple workaround that gets the job done perfectly, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. Once everything is highlighted, go ahead and copy the content. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard, or you can right-click and select Copy from the menu that appears. Either method works just fine. Now that the email content is copied, you're ready to move it over to Word. Next, open a new blank Word document on your computer. Once the document is open, right-click anywhere on the blank page. A context menu will appear with several different paste options. This is where you need to pay close attention. Look through the paste options until you find the one labeled Use Destination Theme. Click on this option and your email will be pasted into the Word document with all of its original content and formatting intact. This ensures that everything from the email, including text styles, images, and layout, is preserved in the Word file. Now that the email content is in your Word document, all you have to do is save the file. Click on File in the top left corner, then choose Save As. Pick a location on your computer where you want to store the document, give it a name, and click Save. And just like that, you've successfully converted your Outlook email into a Word document. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.